What up, good people? It's your boy. You back again, and we back for another video. You know what I'm talking about? We finna get ready to go downstairs and get in the garage. I feel like in the past, what's worked for me has been the accountability that I hold through video. Know what I'm saying? So if I start something on video or whatever, it's a better chance that I'm gonna finish it and stuff. So, oh yeah, I see the photo studio back there. I am back shooting, so if you need them photos, let me know on location or in my little studio. I'll let you boy. Now, what I really want to incorporate, man, is just somewhat of a routine. You know, like, can't do everything. Like for me, I feel like you get, I won't say so behind, but you get so overwhelmed, right? To the point where it's like, damn, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. And before you know it, you're overwhelmed. You know what I'm saying? However, I feel like if you just dedicate like an hour a day, 2 hours a day, whatever you can fit into your schedule, that will be much better than, you know, not doing anything at all. So it's about 5:02, and so we're gonna get our hour in today, and then we're gonna go from there. So let me flip you around. So basically what I'm gonna probably try to do today, just today, we're gonna try to get this wood up out of here. You know what I mean? I broke down all the pallets. I had them here, like I had all the pallets here. I broke them all down from the different sections and pieces of wood and stuff, so I would have whatever to work with. Now that I have the majority of it broken down, it's just kind of here. So being that I'm not about to build anything at the moment, what I'm gonna work on today is just getting this wood out of here, and then potentially all this stuff that I got right here so that I can put my bike back in the garage, because this is probably the longest that my bike done been outside. Yeah, and that's not normal. That also give me the ability to move this engine back over there in the corner where we usually do engine teams. And then we can get to, I don't know if we necessarily need to put it back there just yet, cause that shit is dirty. Like, one thing at a time though, one thing at a time. But, so wood to price to the backyard. Yeah, wood to the backyard. And that way, like if I do be doing cutting and wooding and shit, like I can cut it outside on the back porch, and like the dust and shit won't be in the garage, and the wind will blow it away, and we'll be good with the sawdust and shit anyway. Then, like I said, we can move more of this other stuff. So let me cut you back on after this. All right, so as you can see, we done made some progress in this hour. A couple minutes to spare, but yeah. Got all the wood out of here into the backyard, which would be our, like I said, our area. Got the 6-0 push back, other little engine stuff. Like I said, an hour a day, man, a little bit at a time. My bike is filthy, but we'll get that cleaned up too. Not this weekend, maybe during the week. So in Texas, you have the benefit of kind of riding year round. So I think, matter of fact, it's a bike night next week that I'm going to. So I definitely got to get baby cleaned up because she's dusty. But yeah, man, like I said, a little bit a day. Get it done. And then, trying to think. This could also be the opportunity to advertise some shit. It ain't really a whole lot of them really advertising. I know for sure I'm gonna start moving, you know, certain stuff out of the garage and out to the thing, and I might do that, you know, today or other days. And as we come back to the garage, you'll see it'll be more and more stuff missing. I do got them Capri seats. I'm probably gonna go outside. That's tire. Other little stuff. Got another pallet over here. So yeah, just if I don't need it, I'm gonna get rid of it, bro. No, all the cars is pretty much complete. Like all these extra car parts and stuff I got, need to do something with them, make some shape, and everything like that. So that's just my goal, man. Getting shit cleaned up. And then getting that way we get it clean, organized, and then that way we can move forward, we're able to find stuff, etc., etc., and go from there. So as always, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully, like I said, by the next time, I'll give it about a week. We're gonna try this hour a day thing for about a week, and then we'll see what we'll have, what more we would have had cleaned up out of the garage. But let me show you what I hope to have had done by the end. So like I said, that little shelf over there, I'm gonna have it gone. These shelves here, I'm gonna have them shelves gone. Probably them extra totes and stuff over there, they can go outside. The welder can kind of go back over there in the corner, but like I said, that's gonna free up just a whole bunch of space over here. And then on this side, we will be looking at getting these seats up out of here. Like I said, extra totes and stuff just put up. There's some stuff in the back of this truck that I know that we need to let. I don't know if we'll say let go, but of course we got some oil dispensary stuff, wheels, covers, torque converters, for the engine blocks, cylinder heads. Like all this don't need to be in the back of the truck. So probably end up like building some shelves in the little garage or in the little shed to house all this stuff, and then that way it's back there. If I need it, I can grab it. If not, get rid of it. This block might be bad now. We didn't let it sit out here like this, but I mean, shit, we had enough of them. But I mean, hey, who knows? You know, maybe we just clean it up. But at this point, probably not. YOLO. Cause this one, I don't even remember where the hell we got it from. I know we painted it with the intention of doing something with it, but yeah, I don't think it was gonna be seen the light of day like that for real anyway. So yeah, so working through here so we can clean out the back of the truck, like I said, them shelves and everything, and then by then I feel like that'll be a good jump start off into it. So hopefully by the end of this month, I feel like we can get that done and, you know, make some progress. So day at a time, hour at a time, man, that's all you can do. You know, it's only one you, so do what you can. So y'all know what it is. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.